what I want to look at here now is testing. Okay, so please bear in mind that you must do the testing in respect of the IEE regulations or stroke IET regulations. That will be updated accordingly. Now, as you know, there's a new regulation came out on the 1st of January 2019. So make sure you're familiar with that for yourselves. Okay. Here now we can see here, okay, it's going to tell you what you need to be doing, how it should be done, okay? I'm making sure that I get the full frames in place for yourselves to see, okay? Now you must comply with the IE regulations new version. Okay? Look, make sure that these are up to date. See what has replaced them, or if there's any change. Some places has not some elements has not changed a great deal, but look and be prepared for any modifications accordingly. Okay? Just come back to get the full framing. Okay. Now here we have it clearly stated in the 17th edition. I believe there is now an 18th edition, but be aware that there may not be much change from this, okay? So again, but check for yourselves and ensure that you have complied with the regulations up to date. That is important. And if you heard a little shouting at the back, it's only my missus trying to tell me she got back in from shopping. Okay? You know you can't keep these women quiet once they decide to talk. No offense intended in any way. Now again here, the information you would have picked up already from grounding, earthing. Okay, so use that information. This is showing you how to implement those measures and what reading should be applicable or appropriate, or how far away the electrodes needs to be or should be to achieve maximum efficiency in regards to earthing. Okay. Now, of course, you don't know who's looking at it, you see, and they must have the information in full. So the information is important that you obtain this information in full, okay, not in part. So please do additional research for yourselves, okay, make sure you understand the concept and the different methods they have applied. Okay, I trust you found this useful. Okay, and again, remember to draw out the diagrams. They're not difficult to draw out. Sit down, draw old-fashioned pen and pencil and paper. Okay, or if you feel happier, do it on your iPad on the drawing element section of that. But make the work your own. Okay, by writing it out, your brain will remember. Okay, do not lose it. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you for now, and see you again. Bye bye.